What is going on, guys? So today we're going to be talking about stacks. It's currently ranked number 55. So again, if you guys are new to the channel, right, I'm gonna be basically introducing for the first minute and a half how this video is going to work. If you guys are not new, you guys can skip ahead to about a minute and a half. And I am sorry for the past week being MIA. I was in Vegas for a conference, and the hotel Wi-Fi was absolutely like terrible. And what I couldn't believe is that they charge you $50 for that crappy internet. But anyways, oh, that $50 was per day, by the way. So I spent literally close to $300 just on freaking internet, and it was bad. But anyways, the way these videos work is, so we'll be taking a look at the circulating supply, max supply, and total supply. How is that going to affect it, right? Because obviously, if all the coins are out in circulation, that the total there are to basically have, then obviously the price, we won't have to take that into account. Then we're going to be looking over at the technical analysis, which is just right, basing the price off just the charts, right? And then from that point, get a little price prediction from the technical analysis. Then we will go over to the website. On the website, we will be taking a look at basically showing, okay, does this have real world use potential? Yes, no, maybe so. If it does, how will that affect the price? Then we get a price prediction from that, combine it with technical analysis. If no, we just go based off technical analysis. And then, end of the video, will this be one of the 10 coins from the top 100 that I will be investing $10,000 into? Who knows? So, without further ado, that was a little bit of a longer intro than usual. Let's get right into it. Also, quick note, if you guys want some free money, click the links down below, and then also sub and like if you wouldn't mind. That would help me out a lot. So here we have circulating supply of 1.28 billion, max supply of 1.8 billion, total supply of 1.35 billion. So it's currently at 70%, not too bad, right? And also the supply is not too high, right? We've seen coins with 10 billion, 100 billion, trillion. So yeah. And currently the market cap right now is at $2.5 trillion, which is really good. So here we can see on the chart that, right, we can, first thing right away, huge resistance right in this area. That is a pretty big resistance. And then we're gonna extend this right here. Boom. So we can see right around that 280 mark, there is a pretty high resistance, which is its all-time high basically. Now, the difference between these two right here, it has ended up doing a breakout. It shot up to 280, then went down, shot up to 280 again. However, currently sitting at 229. So, a couple things that can happen, right? It has a support right here at 218, 220. So, that could be saving it. And then from that point on, maybe we could get a nice breakout from this range, right? Bounces down a little bit higher and then goes back on the uptrend. However, if it just continues to go down, then we don't have a support until 143, which is not looking too good. But yeah, then the other thing that we can do is we can go right here. Since it has this, the uptrend channel is not really there, right? It is currently in the uptrend channel. So, well, I mean the downtrend channel, it is currently not there. The only thing we can have is based off of the uptrend channel. So get that going. But yeah, so if we combine these two right here, bow, we can basically see that more likely than not, right, it's not going to go past that 218. It will most likely continue slowly uptrending until it either breaks out up here at that 280 mark, or at that point it can go back down again while testing that 218. So that's one thing to keep in mind. However, overall it is looking more bullish than bearish, and especially if it breaks above that 280 mark, then threes are honestly very easy to accomplish. And then from that point on, we got a bunch of highs, right? So next up, almost went to the wrong one. Stacks website, right? What is it? A better internet built on Bitcoin. Ooh, see, Bitcoin, as much as it is a main token, and it always will be, right? However, the use of Bitcoin is not as great, right? There are much better altcoins. Ethereum, for example, is much better as well. That would just provide a lot better. But however, this is it. better internet built on Bitcoin. Stacks makes Bitcoin programmable, enabling apps. This is the key part for me. Small contracts, not really that big of a deal. Everyone does that. So, build apps, start building, right? Let's start building. Build what's next on Stacks. Get started with Stacks, right? All of that. So I actually really like this token Stacks and Bitcoin's NFT. That's going very well right now. I've been buying a couple of NFTs here. Earn Bitcoin by stacking. Lock your STX temporarily to support the network security and consensus. You'll earn Bitcoin that miners transfer as part of proof of transfer. How much could I earn? You guys know I love passive income. So the stacks, blah, 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 blah. Assuming blah, 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 blah. They have an earning rate of approximately 9%. Is that a yearly 9%? Or what would that be, right? Kind of wish that instead of explaining this, let's go all the way down. Okay, so it's not like they have a calculator because that would be a lot nicer to use. But 9%, blah, 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 built on potentially insecure, right? Approximately 2 weeks. Reward cycle, 2 weeks by locking and sending periodic transactions. Okay, so today we're excited to share, such as the number of miners, the economic base, blah, 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 right? And earnings, for example, assuming a blah, 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 including assumptions related to the calculate an earning rate of approximately 9%. Again, I really just wish they would tell me in how long, obviously, because if it's every 2 weeks, 9%, holy crap, right? That's 20% a month. That would be amazing. However, I do believe it is just 9% a year. But again, 9% a year, not bad. 100 grand in that. Boom. But imagine, yes. So again, this is actually really good. It has some pretty good uses for it. Maybe it would have been smarter to do something not Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum based. However, the idea is good. Again, obviously look into the staking or stacking and see if it's 9%, right? And what that is and how much that actually changes. But apart from that, again, it's pretty good. I think that will factor into the price. Again, I don't think it's great because it is copyable, but so far I don't know of a single one that has the same at least. So realistically, off of the price with the circulating supply, right? I could realistically see around $7 to $8 for this. So again, not too shabby, right? That is about a 3x return. But yeah. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy the video and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I am now back to posting daily videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day or night or whatever time you're watching this. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out.